Music. Capital One versus Santander. Which bank is right for you? Let's compare these two to see which fits your needs. Check the description below for links to both banks. Capital One shines with its top-notch online banking and innovative digital tools. Enjoy low fees, competitive savings rates, and a highly rated mobile app. Plus, its credit card selection is excellent, especially for cashback and travel rewards. Its savings products and CDS are also strong, making it great for digital banking fans. However, Capital One's limited branch network might not suit everyone. Santander, conversely, offers both online and physical branches across the northeastern US. This traditional bank provides everything from checking and savings accounts to mortgages and loans. Santander's strength lies in its comprehensive customer service and ATM network. However, its savings rates are generally lower than Capital One's, and some fees are higher. While Santander's online platform is good, its mobile app isn't as user-friendly or advanced as Capital One's. So, choose Capital One for a fully digital experience, low fees, and rewarding programs. Choose Santander for branch access and personalized service. Explore both banks further using the links below and choose what's best for you.